Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. Yesterday we had made a detailed video on AEWC Mark2, that is Airborne Early Warning and Control System, and talked a little bit about AEWC Mark1A. Today, that is in this video, we'll discuss in detail about the AEWC Mark1A, as some significant progress is being made by DRDO for the new Airborne Early Warning platform. As we already know that Indian Air Force is progressing a case for 6 more improved Netra AEWC Mark1A. These airborne platform will include improved and upgraded human mission interface, data links and mission suite. Several imported systems which were earlier used in Mark 1 will be replaced in Mark1A with indigenous one, which includes ground-based data links, ground-based and airborne terminals, electronic intelligence systems and radar warning receiver. On 6 February 2024, the Times of India has reported that the case for the acceptance of necessity, which is the first step before any defense equation, will be taken up with Ministry of Defense in next week. Now, as we all know that the AEWC Mark1A will be again based on the Embraer 145 executive jet, and the entire proposal will cost around 9,000 crore rupees. Now, since the production of these business jets have been stopped by the OEM, DRDO will have to look for the reused jets from the market. The new AEWC will be advanced than its predecessor with better software and technologies such as gallium nitride based TR modules. So on 8th January 2024, the Center for Airborne System or CAPS of DRDO has released an expression of interest for the Development Cum Production Partner or DCPP for mission systems of AEWC Mark1A on pre-owned Embraer 145 executive jet. The due date for the industry partners to respond to this expression of interest is 15th February 2024. Any Indian public or private limited company having experience in system engineering or complex system of systems product lifecycle design, development, manufacturing and fabrication, qualification, integration, evaluation on rig, integration on aircraft, flight test, and having experience of certification of systems can respond to this expression of interest. Now, looking at the prerequisites set by CAPS, in my opinion, only HAL can be a perfect match. From private firms, TASL, that is Tata Advanced System Limited, can also be a most probable contender. Once the industry partner is selected, CAPS will further issue RFP to the industry partner for development and production of the mission systems of AEWC Mark1A. This will happen in 4 phases, which are design, development, production and testing, long-term post-delivery support phase, and export orders if there are any. Now, since we're talking about mission system, let's try to understand what are all the mission systems of AEWC Mark1A. The mission system comprises of an airborne segment and a ground segment. So if you talk about the main systems of airborne segments, it includes AESA-based primary radar, PESA-based secondary surveillance radar, mission communication system with software-defined radio, communication support measures, electronic support measures, radar warning receiver, missile approach warning system, counter measures dispensing system, LOS, and SATCOM data links. Talking about the various systems of ground segment, it includes ground exploitation station, mission planning and analysis station, operator training station, automated test equipment, MSC and DHDS lab. So the proposed mission system will be integrated on the pre-owned Embraer 145 aircraft procured and modified by the OEM and delivered to CAPS. Further, The aircraft will be modified into mission aircraft by CAPS of DRDO along with participating DRDO labs with support from DCPP, followed by induction into user, which is going to be Indian Air Force. CAPS will be transferring the technology to a selected production partner or DCPP for development of the mission systems. The mission systems are to be developed for 6 AEWC Mark1A. CAPS will be responsible for integration of systems into the first 2 AEWC with DCPP in support role. From 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th system onwards, DCPP will lead the system integration and CAPS will be in the support role. Now, once the project is sanctioned and given funding by Ministry of Defense and DRDO starts getting those funds, the delivery of new AEWC Mark1A can be completed within 5 years as it is based on the same executive jet platform on which Netra Mark1 is built. This was today's update. Please let us know your views on this in comment section. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind. We'll soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in the defense sector.